Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Karen Jordan Returns. So, guess what? We're going to be going camping today with me and with my stuffed animals. Let's go downstairs. Let me see, that's my phone bucket. There's her packing some stuff. And Creep. Hey, Creep. Are you guys going? Hey, are you going? Are you going, Dougie? Dougie, are you going? Dougie, are you going? Dougie, are you going? Dougie, are you going? Dougie, I said, are you going? Thank you, Dougie. You said yes. Alright, here we got all these stuffed animals. And guys, thanks for watching. Bye.